In this video, we will show the best Rakhi making kit under 500 available to buy. At number 8. Beadsnfashion Acrylic Cone Beads. It is a pack of 100 PCs, with the size 8 by 14 mm. This pack of the acrylic bead will give a nice look to your jewelry. At number 7. Acrylic Alphabet Beads. The product on display is an acrylic bead. It is made of plastic, which enhance the beauty of your jewelry. At number 6. Beadsnfashion Butterfly Charms Beading. This pack of the acrylic bead will give a nice look to your jewelry, deal as a gift for an experienced jewelry maker or creative minds looking for a new hobby. At number 5. Rakhi Making Kit. This kit contains every raw material from top to bottom. Muti-purpose product which can be used for various applications. At number 4. Udhayam Silk Thread Jambo Kit. It includes Pom Pom Balls to make fashionable jewelry items. Make designer jewelry pieces with this kit. At number 3. Toy Kraft Paper Quilling. Paper quilled wristbands help you personalize friendship bands and Rakhis so that you make a special impact memorable not just for that day but the next year. At number 2. SJRI Rakhi Making Kit. It is an excellent golden material which gives a high shine to your Rakhis. High-quality pearls add life to the Rakhis you make. At number 1. Goelx Silk Thread Jewellery. It is silk thread jewelry making fully loaded jumbo box with all accessories. Stone sheet, pearl chain, stone chain, ball chain all in the pack with back rope.